Hi, my name is Iman. Welcome to my channel. We're going to be doing what's for dinner, planning for dinner, grocery hauls, as well as planning. And sometimes we might be doing a day in the life. So please, if you like what you see, like and subscribe and share with your friends. Tonight, what's for dinner? We have two special guests. I have Julia and Gabby. These are my nieces, and we're doing cooking in the kitchen with kids tonight. And tonight, what's for dinner is going to be
pepperoni and cheese
pizza. We're going to
put olive oil on the pan.
Right? And what's the reason why? So it doesn't
stick.
So it doesn't stick. So we're going to be oiling our pans just a little bit so the pizza dough doesn't stick to it. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, that's good, that's good. Okay. Okay, so the girls are oiling their pans with clean hands because they already washed their hands before we started cooking.
It smells weird.
Well, it's olive oil. It smells like olives. Go ahead and put it up here. And on this side too. All the sides. Right, there you go. Okay.
It feels so fun.
Is that good? Oh, okay. Here. Alrighty.
Okay, done. Now
okay, you done? Okay, so now you can pick up your pizza dough with your oily hand.
Oh, you
pick up your pizza dough. Yep. Oh, there you go. And then put it on your pan.
And it splits into all the sides.
And then go ahead, you're gonna stretch it a little bit with your hands.
And then use the.
And then you're going to use your rolling pins.
Is he still recording?
Yes. Yeah, he's recording. This is live, baby. Okay, so I went ahead and put a little bit of oil in your rolling pin, so go ahead and roll it. Let me put a bit of oil on your rolling pin, Julia.
This is fun already.
Isn't it fun? It's always fun to cook in the kitchen, isn't it?
Oh, some oil got on the pizza dough.
What is it?
Some oil got on.
Oh, that's okay. We want oil on the pizza dough. That's okay.
Next step, we put the pizza sauce on the dough.
Okay, so go ahead and pour your pizza sauce. Oh.
In the middle.
In the middle. Okay. Here, let's take your spoon.
Can I do it?
Sure. You want to pour it out?
Uh-huh. And I want to spread it around.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay.
Now I'm going to spread it around.
Yeah, spread it around. Uh-huh. Good job, Julia. Good job, Gabby. Okay. Give me that cup. Oh, you can't do that.
Oh.
Now I have to wash the spoon. No licking when you're cooking.
Oopsie.
Okay, so
it's good.
Okay, so the spoon is clean now. So go ahead and spread it out.
I feel like I want to lick it, but I'm not.
You feel like what?
I'm gonna lick it.
Okay, why don't you hold it like this?
So it's easier.
Yeah. Or like this. Like this. Yeah, that might be.
Use this hand.
Okay, go ahead. Use whatever's comfortable. That's okay. It came on here. Oh, see how Julia's doing it? Yeah, you want to spread it all the way around. Slowly, Julia. Slowly. So it doesn't splatter.
I like going.
Yeah, go to the edges.
I like going medium.
There you go. That's perfect.
I want no crust, so I'm gonna cover up the crust.
Okay, so cover up the crust.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, so go ahead and cover up this crust.
Yay!
Can I help you for a second?
No.
No? I just want to get it out here. Okay, here you go. Go ahead. And put it. Yeah. Cover it all up.
Okay, is that good?
Yeah, that's as good as it's your pizza, so whatever you guys want to do on it.
I'm gonna do a smiley face.
Okay. It's going to be hard to do a smiley face. We have to cover that up anyway with cheese. So you're not going to see the smiley face. Oh, there you go. Smiley face. Okay.
I'm
Is that
not
good?
gonna cover the teeth.
The nose is kind of like a cow.
I'm not gonna cover it with the teeth. This is not a nose.
What is it?
It's
Eyes
nose.
and a mouth, right?
eyes, nose.
And a mouth.
Um,
What are we doing next?
We're putting cheese on our pizza first.
Okay. Go ahead. Put your cheese and sprinkle it all around.
Except for my smiley face.
Except for your smiley face. Yeah, put as much cheese as you want.
And it's okay if you put a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
Because I like
cheesy
it.
pizzas are good. Try to keep it on the pizza. Good girls.
And also, I'm gonna do pepperoni.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna do a little bit of pepperoni.
You are going to put pepperoni?
Just a little bit.
Okay. That's good.
Cover up the smiley face. I'm not gonna cover up.
Okay.
Just a little
Do you
bit
wanna-
more cheese.
You want to put some more cheese over here?
I love a lot of cheese. Alright. Now I'm gonna put on my pepperonis.
Okay, hold on a minute.
Sprinkle around the smile. And make sure you don't get a lot of pepper. Make sure you wanna take apart the pepperonis.
Exactly.
Can I have some pepperoni? Thank you. Make sure you take them apart.
Actually, you can make a face with your pepperoni.
I'm gonna put
You can put your eyes right here, and you can put a mouth like that.
and I can put a nose with one pepper.
Yep. Oh, say excuse me.
Excuse me.
Okay. What else do you like on pizzas? Do you like anything else?
Just cheese.
Just cheese? How about you, Julia? Do you like any vegetables on your pizza?
No.
No. Okay.
Well,
You know what kind of pizza Auntie Iman likes?
what?
I like vegetable pizza.
I like spinach pizza.
Oh, I
I
have
like-
some spinach.
I like spinach.
No, okay.
I like spinach and beef pizza.
Oh, you
And
do spinach and
sometimes-
beef. Mm-hmm.
Sometimes you might need to like cut the pepperoni too,
Uh-huh. Yeah.
like how I'm doing it right now. It
Okay.
might. You gotta be very careful
Yeah.
by cutting
So you
it.
And you
don't
can
break
cut
the
it with
whole
your hands. You don't need a knife, right?
I'm
Yeah.
just gonna do the pepperoni.
Okay. Now we already preheated the oven, didn't we?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you remember to how many degrees?
400 degrees.
Exactly. And so who's going to put the pizza in the oven? Auntie Iman.
Auntie Iman.
Right. And then who's going to take the pizza out of the oven? Auntie Iman. Right. I think more pepperoni's going in Julia than on the pizza.
Why?
Because we love pepperoni. Do you guys want some more?
Yes.
We're using Hormel pepperoni. And this is 25% less fat. And it's delicious. Isn't it? Yeah. Do you need
really
more?
good.
Do you want more pepperoni? I forgot to mention the pizza dough that I picked up was Pepe's Perfect Pizza Dough. And it has 0 trans fats and it's not genetically modified. I found this over at Walmart and it was in the frozen section near where the ravioli is. It was hard to find, but eventually an employee helped me find it. Anyway, last night I took it out of the freezer and I placed it into the refrigerator so it could thaw out, and it was perfectly ready for tonight's dinner. What do? You love pepperoni.
I love pepperoni.
Mm-hmm.
It's done.
You're done?
I'm gonna do my cookie.
Okay, there's Gabby's pizza. Do you see it? We've got a smiley face on here.
And I'm done.
There's her smiley face right there.
And
And there's Julia's pizza. It looks like a rustic gourmet pizza too. Mm-hmm. Do you love cooking?
I love cooking and I love pepperoni.
Mm-hmm.
cool.
How about you,
Pick it
Gab?
off the pizza.
Especially on the pizza.
Especially.
Well, don't pick yours off the pizza.
I'm not.
Okay, are we ready to put it in the
I
oven?
want to put more cheese on it.
Oh, you do? Okay, go ahead.
400 degrees.
400 degrees, right. Okay, Gabby, go ahead and put some more cheese on it.
Like over the
Yeah.
pepperoni.
Mm-hmm.
Julia, if you taste the cheese, it's good. I don't like cheese. It tastes good.
Tastes delicious. Okay, you ready?
I need some more.
Okay. Okay. Now we're going to put this in the oven for about 15 to 25 minutes.
Yeah.
We have to make sure that the cheese is melted and the pizza dough is cooked, right? Or baked, right? Okay, so we're going to check it at 15 minutes. And if it needs to stay in the oven, we'll keep it in the oven until the edges of the pizza are a little bit crusty. Is that good? Okay, here we go.
Bye.
Bye. See you later.
In
See you later.
in about 15 minutes or so.
In about 15 minutes.
Yep. Is it good?
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay, great. You guys did a good job. Are you proud of yourselves? Okay, good. Enjoy.